The Milky Way, our home galaxy, is a breathtaking tapestry of stars, gas, and dust. It's easy to imagine it spinning serenely forever, but even galaxies have a lifespan. The Milky Way, like everything else in the cosmos, faces a dramatic and inevitable fate death. This isn't a sudden event, but a drawn-out process unfolding over billions of years. The Milky Way, as we know it, will slowly unravel and transform into something new and unfamiliar. The first sign of our galaxy's impending demise will be the gradual slowdown of star formation. Stars are born from collapsing clouds of gas and dust. Over time, this raw material will become depleted as new stars ignite. Existing stars, like our own sun, will continue to burn through their nuclear fuel. As they age, they'll swell and redden, eventually exhausting their energy reserves. One by one, the stars that light up our night sky will begin to fade. The Milky Way doesn't exist in isolation. It's part of a cluster of galaxies called the Local Group, bound together by gravity. This gravitational dance plays a crucial role in the Milky Way's fate. The most influential player in this cosmic ballet is Andromeda, our nearest major galactic neighbor. Currently, Andromeda is on a collision course with the Milky Way, hurtling toward us at an incredible speed. In about 4 billion years, the Milky Way and Andromeda will collide in a spectacular cosmic event. Don't imagine a catastrophic crash. Instead, picture a slow, gravitational merging of two colossal structures. The galaxies will pass through each other, their gravitational forces distorting their shapes, flinging stars into new trajectories and triggering bursts of star formation. Eventually, they will coalesce into a single, giant elliptical galaxy nicknamed Milkdromeda. Section 5. The Afterglow of Stars. Even after the dramatic merger, the story of Milkdromeda isn't over. This colossal event marks just the beginning of a new chapter in the cosmic saga. The stars within this newly formed galaxy will continue their life cycles, each one contributing to the ever-evolving tapestry of the universe. Massive stars, living fast and dying young, will explode as supernovae, scattering heavy elements into space. These cataclysmic events are not just spectacular to observe, they play a crucial role in seeding the cosmos with the building blocks of life. Smaller stars, like our sun, will exhaust their fuel more slowly, eventually shrinking into dense remnants called white dwarfs. These stars will swell into red giants before shedding their outer layers, leaving behind a core that will cool and contract. These white dwarfs, no longer powered by nuclear fusion, will slowly cool and fade over trillions of years like embers from a dying fire. As they dim, they will become faint, ghostly reminders of the vibrant stars they once were. The universe will continue to change, but the afterglow of these stars will linger, a testament to the dynamic and ever-changing nature of the cosmos. The afterglow of stars is a reminder of the cyclical nature of the universe. From the birth of new stars to the death of old ones, the cosmos is in a constant state of flux. Each phase, each transformation adds to the rich history of the universe, making it a place of endless wonder and discovery. Section 6. Stellar Remnants, Echoes of Giants. The most massive stars will meet a more violent end, collapsing under their own gravity to form neutron stars or black holes. Neutron stars are incredibly dense, packing the mass of the sun into a sphere just a few miles across. Black holes are even more extreme, regions of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape their grasp. These remnants, scattered throughout Milkdromeda, will continue to exert their influence on their surroundings. Section 7. The last light fades. As time marches on, even the faint glow of white dwarfs will eventually fade away. The universe will enter an era dominated by darkness, punctuated only by the occasional collision of stellar remnants, releasing bursts of energy. Black holes, those cosmic predators, will continue to grow, slowly consuming any matter that strays too close. But even black holes are not immortal. They slowly evaporate over unimaginable timescales, releasing a faint stream of particles known as Hawking radiation. Section 8. A Universe in Ruins. The ultimate fate of the Milky Way, and indeed the entire universe, is still a matter of scientific debate. Astrophysicists and cosmologists have long pondered the destiny of our cosmic home, exploring various theories and models to predict what lies ahead. Some theories suggest that the universe will continue to expand forever, growing colder and darker as matter becomes increasingly dispersed. This scenario, often referred to as the Big Freeze or heat death, envisions a future where stars burn out, galaxies drift apart, and the universe becomes a vast, empty expanse. Others propose that the expansion will eventually reverse, leading to a big crunch, where everything collapses back in on itself. In this dramatic end, the universe would contract, galaxies would merge, and all matter would be drawn together into an incredibly dense state, possibly leading to another Big Bang. In either scenario, the Milky Way, as we know it, will be long gone, its constituent particles scattered across the cosmos. Whether through gradual dissipation or a cataclysmic collapse, the galaxy that has been our home for billions of years will cease to exist in its current form. The study of these cosmic events not only helps us understand the universe's future, but also provides insights into its origins and the fundamental forces that govern it. Section 9, our cosmic legacy. The death of the Milky Way is an awe-inspiring reminder of the vastness of time and space. This event, though far in the future, serves as a poignant symbol of the ever-changing nature of the cosmos. It reminds us that nothing in the universe is permanent, and that change is the only constant. It's a story that unfolds over billions, even trillions of years, a timescale that dwarfs human comprehension. Imagine the universe as a grand cosmic clock, ticking away the eons with galaxies evolving, merging, and sometimes even colliding. This immense timescale puts our own brief existence into perspective, highlighting the fleeting nature of human life against the backdrop of eternity. Yet it's a story that's deeply connected to our own existence. We are not mere spectators in this cosmic drama, we are participants. Our very being is intertwined with the universe in ways that are both profound and humbling. The Milky Way, our galactic home, has nurtured the conditions necessary for life to flourish on Earth. The atoms in our bodies were forged in the hearts of stars, scattered by supernovae, and incorporated into the swirling cloud of gas and dust that eventually gave birth to our sun and our planet. Every element that makes up our physical form has a cosmic origin, a testament to the interconnectedness of all things. When we look up at the night sky, we are, in a very real sense, looking at our own origins. The death of stars is essential for the creation of new stars, planets, and even life itself. This cycle of death and rebirth is a fundamental aspect of the universe. When a star exhausts its nuclear fuel and dies, it often leaves behind a nebula, a beautiful cloud of gas and dust. Within these nebulae, new stars are born, continuing the cycle of creation and destruction that has been ongoing for billions of years. As we contemplate the Milky Way's demise, we are also contemplating the grand cycle of cosmic creation and destruction, a cycle that connects us to the farthest reaches of the universe and to the very essence of existence. This cycle is not just a distant, abstract concept, it is a process that has direct implications for our own lives. It reminds us that we are part of something much larger than ourselves, a vast interconnected web of cosmic events that shape the very fabric of reality. The universe is a dynamic, ever-changing entity, and we are an integral part of its ongoing story.